The new rules of search, AI, shopping agents, and how to get found. If you've been wondering why your website traffic has been shifting lately, or why some businesses are showing up in AI-generated answers and yours isn't, this video is for you. Because search just changed dramatically, and I want to make sure you understand what's happening so you can position your business right now before your competitors do. I'm with Calypso Development, and we deliver smart, organic strategies to grow your business and your brand with integrity. Today, we're breaking down the biggest shift in Google search in 25 years, what happened at Google I/O 2026, and what it means for how customers find you and exactly what you need to update your SEO strategy to stay visible. Let's get to it. What just happened? The big picture. On May 19th, 2026, Google held its annual developer conference, Google I/O, and what they announced was not just an update. It was a complete reimagining of how search works. There are 4 big changes you need to know about. Number 1, AI mode is now the default. Google's AI mode already crossed 1 billion monthly users. Hundreds of millions are using Claude and ChatGPT for search too. That means conversations instead of search results with clickable links. Number 2, the search box itself got redesigned to accept not just words but images, videos, files, and even browser tabs. This means keywords matter more than ever. Number 3, information agents are launching this summer. These are agents that will work 24/7 scanning the internet for people potentially reading your website, evaluating your content, and deciding whether to surface your business to a potential client without a human ever clicking on anything. Number 4, AI-powered shopping is here. If you're a product-based business, Google introduced something called Universal Cart, AI agents that go beyond recommending products to compare prices, monitor deals, and soon complete purchases on a user's behalf. Section 2, what this means for your business. So what does this mean practically? Let me give you a simple mental shift. The goal used to be rank on page 1. The new goal is be cited inside an AI answer. And here's why that matters. Brands that are cited inside AI overviews are earning significantly more clicks than competitors who are not. You don't just want to be findable. You want to be the source the AI trusts and recommends. And for shopping, if you sell products or services, an AI agent may now be the very first thing that reads and evaluates your website. If your information is incomplete, outdated, or unclear, the AI will move on. It may pass over your business before a human customer ever sees you. This is no reason to panic. It's a reason to prepare. And the good news is the fundamentals that make a website great for humans, clarity, trust, useful content, are exactly what AI systems are looking for too. Section 3. The new SEO playbook, what you need to update. All right, let's talk strategy. Here's what traditional SEO looks like, and here's what you need to do to add or shift right now. Move 1. Stop optimizing only for short keywords. Start thinking in questions and conversations. The new search box is designed for longer, more natural queries. People are asking full questions like, what's the best organic agency for female attorneys in Miami? Not just marketing agency Miami. Your content needs to match the way your ideal client actually talks and asks for help. Think facts, think how-to articles, think conversational blog posts that answer real questions with real depth. Move 2, become a trusted, citable source. AI overviews pull from websites that are seen as credible and authoritative. To be cited, you need clear, well-structured content, which is technical, so get help if you need it. Factual claims with backing. Consistent information across your website, your Google business profile, your social media, and any directories where you're listed. Consistency is trust. AI systems check all of these signals before they decide to reference you. Move 3, use structured data, the language AI understands. This is more technical, to the point of probably most people needing expert help, but it's important. Structured data is a way of tagging your website content so that Google and AI systems can instantly understand what you do, who you serve, what makes you credible. If you have a service business, make sure your services, your location, your reviews, and your contact information are formatted with schema markup. Again, you might need a web developer or marketing agency to do this if you're not technical. If you sell products, your product feeds in Google Merchant Center need to be complete, accurate, and up to date. If the AI can't clearly read what you offer, it won't recommend you. Move 4. Build your offsite reputation intentionally. Here's something a lot of people miss. AI systems don't just look at your website. They look at what the rest of the internet says about you. Reviews, forums, community discussions, editorial mentions, All of these become signals that tell AI models whether your business is trusted and relevant. So, ask your happy clients to leave reviews. Engage genuinely in online communities in your industry. Pitch yourself for features on relevant blogs or podcasts. Be a visible, trustworthy voice beyond just your own website. Move 5. For e-commerce, prepare for agentic shopping now. If you sell physical or digital products, this one's urgent. Google's Universal Cart launched with major retail partners this summer. The underlying system, called the Universal Commerce Protocol, is what AI agents read to see product listings, compare prices, and complete purchases. To be visible in this ecosystem, make sure your merchant center product data is complete and accurate. Ensure your product descriptions answer the questions a customer would ask. Think about pricing transparency, return policies, and trust signals, because the AI is evaluating all of this on the customer's behalf. Move 6. Think multimodal. Images, video, and voice matter more than ever. The new search experience accepts images, video, and voice. This is especially relevant if you're a visual brand, and it's a huge opportunity. Optimize your images with descriptive alt text. Publish video content that answers real client questions. Consider voice-friendly phrasing in your content. These aren't extras anymore. They're part of how people search and how AI interprets your relevance. Section 4, the mindset shift. Here's the bigger picture I want you to walk away with. We're shifting from a world where customers browse the internet to find businesses to a world where AI browses the internet on their behalf. There's a profound change there, and it means your digital presence isn't just for human eyes anymore. It's for AI systems that are evaluating credibility, clarity, consistency, and trust, and then making recommendations based on what they find. The businesses that will win in this new landscape are not the ones with the most clever keyword tricks. They're the ones with the clearest story, the strongest reputation, the most useful content, and the most organized digital presence. In other words, authentic, consistent, helpful businesses. That's you. AI optimization is not just for e-commerce websites. People in businesses selling services have to make adjustments to their online presence as well. Whether you're selling cakes or legal services, your target client is going to be using AI chatbots that will summarize local listings and hopefully suggest your business or firm. Here's why this matters so much for service providers. The person searching for you often isn't your client at all. It's their assistant tasked with finding a consultant. It's the paralegal locating co-counsel in another state. It's the doctor's office looking up a specialist for a referral. These intermediaries don't have your reputation in mind. They have a search bar in front of them. And more, that search bar is powered by AI that reads, summarizes, and recommends before a human ever visits a website. This doesn't make your network obsolete. Referrals, relationships, word of mouth are still the heart of professional services, but even a warm referral gets verified online first. If an AI tool can't clearly understand what you do, who you serve, and where you practice, you risk being invisible at the exact moment someone is trying to find you. Whether we like this shift or not is besides the point. AI search is already here, and it's not asking for our permission. The good news, adapting doesn't require reinventing your business. Not everyone needs video content or a heavy visual presence. For most service providers, it comes down to two things: content that states plainly what you offer, and a website that's technically sound enough for AI tools to read it correctly. These updates don't replace the relationships you've built. They make sure those relationships in every new search actually leads back to you. So let's recap quickly. 1. AI mode is now the default for search, and being cited in AI overviews matters more than ever. 2. Information agents are running in the background, reading your website 24/7. 3. Agentic shopping is here, and AI may complete purchases without a human ever clicking through. 4. To appear in AI recommendations, you need to shift your SEO strategy towards trust, structure, conversational content, and offsite reputation. If you found this helpful, please give this video a like. It really helps this content reach other business owners who need it. And drop a comment below. What's your biggest question about AI in search right now? I'd love to answer it in a future video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. We talk about organic growth, digital strategy, and building a business with intention.